January 21st, 2021, practice number 1. All right, so what percent of 640 is 24? So we have what percent of 640, so remember that of, is 24. So we're going to do that is, here we go, is on top, is 24. So we're going to have that 640 is that total, or that of, so 640 is going to go in our denominator here. The is going to go in our numerator. And then we're going to figure out, we don't know what percent, so I'm going to put x out of that 100. So now we have our problem set up. So when we multiply here, we can do 640 times x, and you get 640x. And then 100 times 24 is 2,400. Now we need to get x by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by 640. Divide by 640. Now we have x equals, well, what's it going to equal? So if you do 240 divided by 640, you can cancel out one of those zeros, so then you'd have 2,400. If you do 240 divided by 64, you'll get that same answer. So you will get a decimal here. So if you get 240 divided by 64, you will get 3 75/100ths. So your answer is going to be 3 75/100%. So it's going to be 3.75%. And I'm going to move this x over here. Perfect. All right, so now I will highlight that for us. And that is going to be it for our answer. So 3.75, I'll put it over here as well. And that's going to be percent. So that is going to be our answer. And that's it for that practice number 1. Great job.